Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. Oh, ICP starts to try the rollover. Okay, so the reason I say this is we've got a potential break, a bit too early for that, but a potential break of the trend line here, the trend channel. So obviously, as I mentioned in the last videos, it's possible that all 5 waves, oops, let me adjust that all 5 waves to the upside for this entire rally here are already complete, that we start the B wave or the wave 2 pullback into this support zone, which has absolutely not changed, still between $4.10 and $8.32. So that hasn't changed at all. But as I said, I can really only confirm that some kind of a top is in place once we break below the $10.30 level, but it will be a first indication if there's a break of the trend line, of the parallel trend channel to the upside. And yeah, it might go that way. It might go that way. At the very least, I would say that we have, well, at least a reset of this wave 2, even though the price hasn't made a new low yet. But this is where it probably is going at the very least. Yeah, so before this third wave starts, that we do get here, let me just adjust these, that we do get a reset of wave 2. Now, below 1030, that's however invalid. And already now, I mean, it shouldn't really break below, let's take that high, $11.06. So this is sort of the micro support where I would say, okay, below that level, even the idea of a reset of wave 2 is getting less likely. So below $11.06, it's gonna probably break below the $10.30 level, okay? And then most likely come down in this wave 2, in this larger degree wave 2. Just realized I need to change the wave degrees here, otherwise we'll mix things up. But yeah, that's sort of still short-term bullish, but it really should turn around to the upside in this region. I mean, ideally now, but if it has to break below the channel, then ideally it's not going to drop below $11.06. So it gives you very clear warning levels, Elliott wave. So $11.06 and then $10.30. And I'm going to track the uptrend complete. And I'm going to track this wave 2 or B wave to the downside. And the only question would be, okay, how does it then look? Well, if we really have seen a top already, then it would likely be top in place here of a wave or a wave 1. And then this was likely the A wave down of wave 2 or B. This here could be the B wave rally. And now we're coming down in wave C. But then we need to see, okay, is this ABC structure just a larger A wave? And we get a B wave, and then we come down in wave C. And this will be likely if the price doesn't even get to the 38.2 retracement level in the first 3-wave move. So that will take a little bit of time and patience. But for now, we haven't even broken below that $11.06 level. So for now, we continue. And trend lines do break sometimes. That's only an early indication that things might be changing and that there is some weakness. But we've had 3 touch points. I mean, it can still turn around from here. Absolutely, you know, and then it could move up in the 3rd wave. So I think tomorrow or in the coming sessions, we should know more. But there is currently certainly no confirmation or even indication that this 3rd wave here within this diagonal pattern, yeah, of the C wave there, that this is started. Okay, so the wave 2 is likely still unfolding. It's looking corrective at the moment, this move down. So yeah, I'm open to the idea it could be just a wave 2 pullback, but shouldn't really drop much more. Maybe a little bit below $11.76. That's the previous low, but then turn around before it breaks below $11.06. So yeah, it hasn't really moved a lot in the last few days. But a lot of you are, a lot of you guys are asking for updates for ICP. There isn't really much new stuff I can highlight. Just a reminder of the next resistances. Obviously, we've got the $15.70 level up there as a ceiling. And a break above that level would likely send us into this white box, determined with, the help of the Fibonacci extension tool, basically targeting $19.64 to $25. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.